All right, so I'm adding two things. Like some people would say, like there's not a fraction. I am adding one fraction, but this is also a fraction. It's 1 over 1. And then to see if I can get a common denominator, I have to factor everything. So this is actually, well, still 1 over 1 plus v over v minus 2. That stays the same. Equals 4 over, I can factor out a v, and then v minus 2. So again, I have this and that, so I don't need any more on this one because this is just a 1. So I don't, if I multiplied the one on the right by a 1, nothing would happen. So this one needs an extra v, and this one needs a v and a v minus 2. And I need to do that in the top as well. You have, did it say v equals 2 as one of the answers?
Yeah,
Negative 2? That's not right. The other one was right. Okay, so here, I have a common denominator now. I would distribute, v times 1 is still v. That's why I'm only distributing the v, because v times 1 is still v. So I get v squared minus 2v plus v squared equals 4. I feel like if you got to this step, the rest should have been fine. Did anybody get to this step? 2, 3 people? So then what I notice is that I have like terms. That's 2v squared, because I have 2 of them. I'm adding them together. And then minus 2v, and then I want to subtract the 4, all in the same step. So I'll say minus 4 equals 0. What can I do with this? Big X, I could do something before that to make big X easier. Yeah, I can factor out a 2. So 2 on the outside, v squared minus v minus 2 equals 0. Remember, this doesn't matter because there's no variable in it, so it's not going to make any of this go to 0. It's always just going to multiply by 2. So big X, negative 2, negative 1, because that's a 1 there. And that would just be negative 2, right? Yeah. And then I can use the shortcut. 2v minus 2v plus 1. So then I set each piece equal to 0. V equals 2. I explained to you why that can't work. And then v plus 1 equals 0. This is one of my answers. V equals 2. V equals 2 makes that 0, right? So I'm not allowed to have that. You have to check in the original. So this one is an extraneous solution. I only have v equals negative 1 as an answer. Do we understand that?